Hello at polio24.de. Today I have something special from Seagull, the special diving watch Ocean Star. Ta-da! Here it is. This watch has a massive stainless steel case. It's an automatic watch with the Automatik caliber ST2130. That's a very famous and well-known Seagull caliber. The watch has sapphire crystal and a date magnifier here. The lunette goes strong in one direction only, so it can't move itself when you go diving. It has luminous indexes and luminous hands, a blue dial, nice fish on the back, wrong direction, like this, and a very high quality stainless steel strap. We were able to get 50 pieces of this watch from Seagull, and I'm curious if you like it and maybe you go for a nice dive with it.